Hi guys, welcome back to Motor Addict. I am your friend Joe Jaswal. Today I am driving this all new Kiger 2025 model here at iCat and मैं बताऊंगी कि इसके अंदर क्या क्या नया आया है quickly in this reel. So watch it till the end, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do it right away. Alright. So सबसे पहले look at this front of this car. This is all new, improved. ये logo है जो पुराने से बिल्कुल नया हो चुका है. This is the bold grille that you're going to see. This is all new, and the things that have been changed here is the LED DRLs, LED headlamps and LED fog lamps that you're going to get in this. And look at these detailing of the front. One more thing interesting is that the bonnet has a scoop here, तो इससे ये थोड़ी सी स्पॉटी लगती है. एंड साइड में भी अगर देखें तो साइड में the only change that has been added is the turbo badging over here. Otherwise everything else is the same at the side as well. But look at this, it looks beautiful. What are your thoughts? Let me know. Now the back also looks quite similar to what we have it in the previous model. And here is the interesting part, is the large boot space that you're going to get. 405 liters of boot space. मतलब अगर आप अपनी छोटी मोटी ट्रिप्स पे जा रहे हैं तो आप अपना आराम से टक इन कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे लगेज, और आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी. और इंटीरियर के अंदर अगर हम जब बैठते हैं, सो येस, आपको एक डुअल टोन फिनिश में मिलती है ये इसका इंटीरियर. यू गेट लेदर्ड सीट with Renault badging stitched inside in yellow, which is new. Ventilated seats here that you get in this model, in this upgrade, and this is more or less the same. The center console is almost same, and of course you get cooled glove box over here. तो अगर आपको कुछ भी सामान रखना है और उसको ठंडा रखे रहने देना है तो वो आप इसमें रख सकते हो. A lot of space over here that you're gonna get. Frameless rear view mirror which looks quite cool, futuristic, that has been done. And look at this. More or less everything is same. So this was my quick walk around of this car. मेरे को आप बताओ आपको कैसी लगी, and the pricing of course ये तो बताना बहुत ज़रूरी है. It starts from 6.99 lakhs and goes up to 11.99 lakhs. And if you're interested in buying this car, of course you can consider this, and you get CMT, AMT engines in this, models in this. And of course अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है, इसको like और follow करना मत भूलना, और yes, share it with your friends as much as you can. Thanks for watching Motor Addict. Bye bye.